the equation of the tangent line. So suppose you have a curve here. Suppose you have a function here like this. This is a function. Let me put some color here. So this one, it's x0. So let's say this is x0, y0, and this is the tangent here. Tangent to the graph, tangent to the this is the line which is tangent to the graph. Tangent means just touch it at one point here. Let's see here tangent. This is the tangent. Tangent here. Let's assume it's x0, y0, x0, y0. So this is the function x0, y0. This is f. This is our function f of x. And this is x0. And this is f at x0. y0 is f at x0. Okay. So the question here is to find the equation of the tangent line. You have this formula for the equation of the tangent line. So you need to know the slope, and you need to know the value of the function at x0. In general, the equation of the tangent line is y minus y0 is m times x minus x0. So this is the equation of the tangent line, and the m here, the y0 here, is f at x0, and the slope, it's f prime at x0. So this is how to write the equation of the tangent line. You just need to find y0 and m. M is the slope, which is f prime at x0. You need to calculate the derivative at x0, and for y0 it's f at x0, and then you plug the number. Does it make sense? Yeah, let me do an example here. Let me give you an example. Here. So let's assume that y equal x squared plus 1. Let's say, or x. Let's use x squared plus 3 or plus 2. Okay. All right. Yeah, let's do it here. Find the equation of the tangent line. The example. Yeah, let's do this one. Okay. At x equal 1, at x equal. Okay. Yeah, so now let's write the equation now. The formula, it's y minus y0 m x minus x0. This is our formula. Now all we have to do is to find m and y0, and that's it. What is x0 here? What is x0? X0 is 1, it's given. So I just replace x0 by 1. Y0, it's f at x0. Y0, it's f at 1. Just replace 1 square plus 3. So y0 is 4. And the slope now, we need to find the slope. M meets the derivative at 1, M f prime. It's the derivative here. The formula M is f prime at x0. M is f prime. X0 is 1 here. 0 is 1. So just calculate f prime at x first. What is f prime at x? The derivative of x squared is 2x. The derivative of 3 is 0. So f prime at x is 2x. So here, f prime at x is 2x. I use the power ruler. So in particular, f prime at 1 will be 2 times 1. 2 times 1 will be 2. 2 times 1. So now I know the slope. I know the y0. I just replace and I write the final answer, and that's it. So this is how to find the tangent line equation. So here, y minus y0, it's 4, and the slope is 2. X minus x0 is 1. X0 is 1. This is 60. So, and this is the equation of the line tangent to the curve at x equal at x0 is 1. So y minus 4. 2x minus 2. I distribute here. Now I put the 4 on the other side. You get 4 y equal plus 2. Y is 2x plus 2. Yeah, this is the that you need to know. So now you need to know. Yeah, I will give you an example like this in the quiz. And you need to know how to find the equation of the tangent line. You need to know how to find the derivative of a function. You have a question about this? Is it clear? If you are not following me, so stop me. Please stop at any time, so I can repeat. Is everything clear here?
For the power rule that you did for the f prime over there, is that the 2x and then to the power of 2 minus 1, and then that's how you got the 2x?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other question? Any other question? So please ask your question. I can repeat if you have anything. Is this clear? The equation of the tangent line? Is it clear? You need more example like this, or it's fine?
Could we do maybe one more example?
Okay, let's do one more.
I was just wondering, for the power rule, when you got 2x plus, or just 2x for the power rule, could you go over why 3 wasn't in the answer? Because for some reason, I just don't understand that part.
Yeah, so, yeah, good question. So this y, let's say y equal constant. What is the derivative of constant? What is the derivative of constant? It's 0. I gave you a formula yesterday. The derivative of constant is 0. So here y equal, let's say, x cubed plus 6. So this is the derivative of y. It's the derivative of this one plus the derivative of this one. Using the power rule, you get 3x squared, 3 minus 1 here, plus the derivative of constant. This is 6 is constant, that is 0. The derivative of constant is always 0, okay? Formula.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, this is, you get 3x squared in this case, this example. This. Okay. Yeah, let me change the function. Let's do one more time the equation of the tangent line. I will change the function here. Yeah, I will change only the function here. The x0. So let's assume that it's a square root of x plus x. Okay. at x0 to 1, okay? Okay, now let's try to calculate, let's find, let me write the formula. It's y minus y0, it's m, x minus x0. This is the tangent to the function at x0. x0 is 1. So x0 is 1. I replace x0 by 1. Now I need m. I need this. I need this one. M represents the slope, and y0 is f at x0, okay? So let me go back here. So I write here. So m is f prime at x0, and y0 is f at 1. This is by definition. M is the slope, all the time is the slope. Is the slope at 1 at this point, at this point. This is x0. So you just need to calculate this value and you plug these here and you are done. That's it. It's very simple. Let's do it here. So the function that I gave you, the second function, is f of x. That's x squared. So let's calculate the derivative. So what is the derivative of square root of x? What is the derivative of square root of x?
1/2.
Okay. So it's 1/2. 1 over 1/2. This is x. Let me go slowly, so that the student understood this. So this is x to the 1/2 plus x squared, and the derivative of x to the 1/2. It's 1/2 x to the 1/2 minus 1. It's minus 1/2. So it's 2x. Okay. And then you replace x by 1. You get 2 plus 2 plus 2. You get 4. Yeah. So let me write it. So this one equal 1 over 2. This is 1 over square root of x. So 1 over 2 square root of x plus 2x. You get 1/2 plus 2. You get 5 over 2. You get 2.5. So f prime at 1, you just plug 1, plug x equal 1. Just replace x by 1. And this is the hardest step. So you just calculate the slope at x0. And then for y0, you just replace x, f at 1. It's 1 plus 1 is 2. It's the square root of 1 plus 1. So this is y0. Okay, now let's replace everything now. Once I know these values, m, this is the slope, this is f, y0. y0. So we get now y minus y0, y minus 2. It's m is 5/2. X minus 1. Yeah, this one. So this is just need to calculate the slope and the value.